welcome back to my channel. So today I'll talk about the random functions, or we can say random module in NumPy. So let's start the video. So first I'll import the package NumPy. Okay, so there are few random functions, or we can say modules in Python. So first is np.random. Next is np.random.randint. Next we will discuss about the np.arange, and then we will discuss about np.linspace. So we will talk about all these. So first let's start with np.random.random. np.random.random. So this np.random.random, this we will use for any random number. So let's give here number 2. So it's np.random.random. It will give us any random value between 0 and 1. So it's depend on you how many random numbers you want, but we will get the random numbers between 0 to 1 only. We can say 100. So it will give you the 100 random numbers, but all the random numbers between 0 to 1. Okay, so let's cut down. So we will give here 2 only. So next we will discuss about the np.random.randint. So let's see the document. So here we have few arguments. First is low, next is high, then the size. Okay, so here let's suppose we want numbers from 10 to 20, and then how many numbers we want, let's say 30. So it will give you the numbers between the minimum number from where you want start and the maximum number, and then how many numbers you want. Here we will specify this. So we want number from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20 we want 30 numbers. So here there are 30 numbers between 10 to 20. Suppose we want numbers from 0 to 100, and we want, let's say, 10 numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, so and these are the random numbers. They will keep on changing every time. This is like the rand between in Excel. Okay, so next we will discuss about np.arange. So I hope you have used a range function in Python. Range is used with a list or with a tuple. Means from the range we can create any numbers. Like let me show you. Suppose we want any numbers from 0 to 100. What is this? Something is wrong here. Let me check. Okay, here we don't need to give. Okay, yes. So here let me write it again. So suppose we want to create any number from 0 to 100, and we want, let's say, difference of 10 numbers. And then we want to list. Okay, so here we will get the numbers from 0 to 100, and the difference is 10. So 0, 10, 20. Suppose we want the numbers from 0 to 100, and the difference is 5. So these are all the numbers. So this is the range, but the only drawback in the range is this: we can't create float numbers in this. Let's say I want numbers from 10.5 to 100, or we can say 100.5, and the difference is 5. So here we will get the error, because the range will generate only int numbers. With the range we can't create float numbers. So to overcome this problem, we have this np.arange. So let me comment this section. Okay, so here is we have np.arange. With the help of np.arange we can create int as well as float numbers. So first we will create int, so 0 to 100, int, so 0 to 100. So we can say the same as range in basic Python. And here if we want to create float numbers, then we can do that. 10.5, or we can say 100.5, and the difference is 10. So we can create float numbers too. So this is the difference between range or arange. So difference, or we can say this is the advantage of np.arange. So here we can create both int as well as float. Oh, so next np.linspace. In the np.linspace we get the numbers from any minimum number. We give here 3 arguments: minimum, maximum, and then how many numbers you want. So suppose we want numbers from 0 to 10, we want 20 numbers. So we get here 20 numbers from 0 to 10. Suppose we want values from 10 to 100. We want 20 numbers. Okay, so we get all the equidistant numbers with the help of np.linspace. So these inbuilt random functions in NumPy. So this is all for the day. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and also like my videos. Thanks for watching.